Hello, Tony VERA update on Officer Mora from the Santa Monica Police. He's actually suing the city of Santa Monica and the police on a civil rights violation. Can you imagine that? I looked it up and found it online, the lawsuit. He's claiming civil rights violation. He got into an accident with another police car. They were on a pursuit or going to a call, and they got into a crash. That video will be in the description. But this man has his nerve. Attacking me for filming an arrest at Santa Monica, doing George Floyd on a peaceful protest, lying in court. I'm mentally messed up over it. It's over 2.5 years, and people don't realize when you get violated like that, and you sue the police and it gets dropped because of their narrative on the arrest, the lawyers turned it around on me. Evidence missing and lies by the cops. I digress. But he's done it to other people, mother and son, traffic stop. And this son is really, really feeling violated. So he made a post online about Mora, what he did to him. Of course, body cam footage edited or missing, and lies on different depositions. And the city of Santa Monica backed this cop up on what he did to these people. And this the son wants anyone that needs him to testify against this cop, he's available. So he has done it before in the past. But it's just funny to me how a cop can violate people's rights, tampering with evidence, lying on depositions, body cam footage missing, and the city of Santa Monica's lawyers get a summary judgment on me. They paint a narrative against me. And I don't hate the cops. I believe we need cops. And I'm not the person that hates cops. I'm not an auditor. I just film the story, try to sell it to the news. Look at my YouTube channel. You can see for yourself. But the mother and son were messed up what they did to him. My lawyers didn't find this document. I don't know why. He was fired from the firm. The lawyer that was handling my case, I think it was Gary Collins' law firm. The lawyer did a horrible job on my case. But in Santa Monica, whole different ball game. It was a 7-hour protest in Venice, and it hit the outskirts of Santa Monica. They had it all blocked, but it was peaceful. Yes, there were violent protesters throughout the city, but yet there were a lot of peaceful protests. And on this one, a woman was being, I thought they used excessive force against her. They called the curfew in too early. They're being sued now on a class action lawsuit, calling the curfew in at 2 o'clock. And hopefully it turns out good for the people who are suing. But this woman was attacked 4 minutes before curfew, and then right after that I was attacked for filming the woman being arrested. I wasn't interfering, but on this one, the cop was calling curfew, and it was 4 minutes too early, so they had no right to put their hands on this lady. I digress. And the reason why I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep it for the record, so people know what this cop did to me and this woman here that I was focused on, and the cops threw her down on the ground. They didn't have to use that much force on this lady. And that's what I was recording that day. I ran over there and started recording it. And then the cops came over to me more, and then a cop named Rodriguez knocked me down with a knife stick. They jumped in my back. Went to my personal belonging, and when 10 years I hit my head, I got the concussion. But yet, they got a summary judgment with a federal judge. I was offered a settlement, but I actually wanted to go to court and prove this guy's lies in court. Hats off to the Bronx and my LA, New York Police Department. Violate people's rights on a peaceful protest, and they got to pay each protester $27,000. I believe there's 300 protesters, so hats off to them. But Santa Monica, now he's going after you guys. Just for the record, that's why I'm doing this. You can look in the description for the full stories. There's like 4 or 5 videos in the description of this video. You can see exactly what they did to me and how they did it to me. If anyone needs me to testify in court against this Mora cop, I'll be more than willing. And the other gentleman I talked about in this video will be more than willing too. You know, this cop should not be a cop. You know, now he's suing the police on a civil rights violation. That is the biggest joke I've ever heard. So thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I will get over this one day. I pray to God I do. But I hate, and I hope it doesn't happen to anybody else. Thanks for listening.